Life is very simple and play it in a simple way. There was one boy who got an offer letter for the interview and he was very happy and excited. Why? Because the job he was dreaming for the last 4 to 5 years he was waiting for, finally that interview came. Finally the post he was looking for, that interview came. And he was very happy and very excited to go there. But his happiness didn't last for a longer time. Why? Because when he reached to that venue for an interview, he saw almost 25 to 30 candidates are already there going giving that interview, and he then become very anxious. He was very worried because he was thinking whether he will be able to crack that interview, because it was his dream. When he was very nervous, he was not knowing what to do. And to add on to his worries, he met one of his college friend who is very brilliant and intelligent. He was topper and he was also applying for the post. Now almost the hope which he was thinking to get that job already get into the wind. He was not knowing what to do, but still he make up his mind. He was very calm. And then one by one the candidates was going for that interview, but all was rejected. No one was getting selected. Even the friend who was intelligent, even he get rejected. Now the time come of that boy. He entered into that interview room, and almost after 15 to 20 minutes he came back with an offer letter. Yes, he got the offer letter. He got selected. Now you must be thinking how that almost that 25 to 30 candidates were there, and even that intelligent students was there, but how he gets selected. Now let go what happened into that interview room. Now the interviewer asks that boy, take a marker and write anything. This is the same question he told to each and every candidate who was coming there. And that boy took the marker and write anything. Exactly, he write anything. And the interviewer was very happy by his presence of mind, because the other candidates, what they have written about the company, they have written about their self, they have written the technical terms, all the big definition. But the interview was wanted something different. See, the question was very simple, but it was very twisted. And then he wanted the presence of mind of that candidate. He didn't wanted the technical terms and all. He wanted that how I am giving that job to that particular candidate, how he will be able to react in the particular current situation. My friends, he wanted that how he should be able to understand what the other people is saying, because listening is one of the most important thing, and at the same time acting by having the presence of mind. Many people are there right now, they are thinking only in their own way, but they are not listening what other want. So the message which I want to give you here, like in this situation of COVID-19, we all are facing problem. We are all have been facing the problem related to job, related to business. But if we are acting by having the presence of mind, and we are having a different angle, like how we can able to cope up with this situation, and almost how we can able to act or reciprocate to that situation, then almost all will be simpler. The same that boy did. He didn't think much. He had just react to that situation. In a similar way, my friends, the COVID situation which you are facing, that you might be having, that due to that COVID, I have lost my job, or I am not getting the sales, I am not getting the business, that was the thing. But now you have to react in a some different way, in a some present situation what it is demanding, and take a different angle and then go through it. Almost you will get it. We know, friends, we almost keep the life very complicated. We keep the life so complicated that we almost think that life will always give us tough problems. We don't able, and we have to give the tough answer. No, not at all. Here the life is very simple, and you have to lead in a very simple way. If you think about the problem in a simple way, and if you reciprocate in a simple direction, simple way, then definitely you will get that answer. Definitely you will be achieving whatever you want to have. So here the simple message today is, just live it and take it in a simple way. Don't think that it's always complicated and difficult, because we are so much have habitual about that, we can say tough problems, the critical situation. We always think that almost the life is almost different of difficult situation and critical situation. No, if we think in a simple way and just keep your presence of mind, you will get the answer what you wanted. So my friends, life is simple and live it in simple way.